Check whether the outer packaging of the product is in good condition and not damaged. Open the package to check whether the product and accessories are complete and the product is not damaged. Pull out the sidetrack cover and take out the fabric guiding channel. Open the cassette screws and take out the front cassette. Attach the side track to the side bracket to make it become a frame. Open the screw holes of the side rails and the cassette brackets according to the inner-outer frame installation way. Fix the frame to the installation position. Use an infrared machine to test whether the cassette is horizontal and whether the side rails are vertical. Adjust the cassette to keep horizontal and adjust the side track to keep vertical. Make the marks on the wall according to the screw holes of the side rail and the cassette. Open the mounting holes. Note, need to keep the height of the two side track is same. Fix the frame to the installation position with screws. Check whether the cassette is horizontal. Check whether the side track are vertical. Install the zipper into the fabric guiding channel. And pinch the lower rail lock catch to make the side rail against the lock fastener. Then cover the side track cover. Pull down the lower rail to check whether the elasticity is appropriate. If the elastic force is large, the lower rail will spring up. If the elastic force is small, the lower rail will fall down. Use a 14mm open-end wrench to clamp the right spring head. Then unscrew the spring head screw. Pull down, tightening elastic force. Pull up, loosening elastic force. For each turn of spring head pulled, the hole position must be clamped to the hole. Otherwise, the spring will return to the state of no elasticity. Check that the elasticity is appropriate. Then tighten the spring head screws and clamp the front cassette. Finally, tighten the cassette and fixing screws. When tightening the spring without elastic force, pay attention to holding the lower rail by hand before tightening the elastic force.